Hello everyone, the gift buying season is starting, so today we will take a look at the new ASUS TUF Gaming laptop that goes for sale at a $700 price tag. Hit the like button and let's start. In the box we have the branded stickers, the laptop itself, a manual, and a 200 watts charger with a power cord. The laptop case is made of plastic with a matte finish. The main color is black, but it has a grey panel with the TUF Gaming logo on top. The laptop is 2.5 inches thick and weighs less than 5 pounds, which makes it very portable. Most of the quick access ports are located on the left side. It's a power, Ethernet, HDMI, 2 USB Type-C ports, 1 USB, and a headphones jack. On the right side we have only one USB port and cooling opening. This laptop has a good cooling, so on the back and bottom sides we also have a lot of cooling openings. Let's turn it on. We have Windows 11 installed, which will take some time to set up and update. Screen quality is decent. It's a 15.6 inch screen with 1080p resolution and 144 Hz frequency. The sound of the speakers is very clear thanks to the Dolby Atmos surrounded sound technology. The keyboard is great. It has easy to press buttons with adjustable RGB backlight, and it also has 4 dedicated hotkeys. One to turn on an app where you can change power statuses and performance settings, and the other 3 to manage sound and mic. The touchpad is big with enough quality for some internet browsing, and a 720p webcam with built-in microphone is good for meetings. But for gaming you are most likely going to use a gaming mouse with a headset. The laptop has a 4-cell battery, which is enough for around 5 hours in active use. In games it will last for around 2-3 hours, and with a 200 watts charger you can charge it to 50% just in 30 minutes. Laptop also comes with a pre-installed app where you can manage performance modes for your needs. Let's move to the hardware specs. On the board we have a Ryzen 7 6800H CPU, which delivers amazing performance. It has 8 cores, 16 threads with a 3.2 GHz base clock. CPU-Z benchmark score is close to i7-10700. CPU also has integrated graphics, which is running the Windows system by default for better battery performance. RAM is installed by one plate and it's an 8GB DDR5 memory on 4800 MHz frequency. In pair with our CPU we have RTX 3050 Ti. It's a faster variant of RTX 3050 mobile card. And for storage 512GB M2 SSD. We have upgrade potential in RAM and storage. Both of these can be expanded. This hardware delivers a really good performance for the price. High-end Ryzen CPU with DDR5 RAM can come in handy not only in games but in some production work, and the 3050 Ti allows you to play any new games. So let's test our gaming performance. The laptop is plugged in and in turbo mode to deliver the best performance. The third game is Warzone 2.0, running with recommended graphics settings in Full HD, and we are getting around 65 to 80 FPS most of the time with a good frame time graph. Next, in the new Spider-Man Miles Morales with high graphics and DLSS in quality mode, getting 50 to 70 FPS depending on the scene. In Apex Legends on high settings seeing 100 FPS and around 144 FPS with the competitive settings. In Elden Ring getting stable 60 FPS most of the time with max graphics settings. You can notice after playing for some time we have CPU and GPU temperatures hitting around 93 degrees. To prevent that you can use laptop cooling pad. I got the simplest one, and with that temperature staying under 90 degrees. When playing on the battery, performance is limited and we are seeing console 30 to 45 FPS in games. I think this laptop is a good combination of an office and a gaming laptop. It's a quality device that delivers good performance for the price. Let me know what you think about this laptop in the comments, and if you are interested, check my other laptops reviews on this channel.